Integration Part 10.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss new concept reduction formula. So, introduction. So, for example, integration of e power x dx. So, you know that integration of e power x dx is what? E power x plus c. So, for example, integration of x e power x dx. So, clearly here we have to use integration of f of x g of x form. So see here clear, this is the first function and this is the second function. So therefore this can be written as x into second function, that is integration of e power x dx minus integration of d by dx of x integration of e power x dx whole dx. So this is what x into integration of e power x minus derivative of x is 1. Integration of e power x, again integration of e power x plus c. Now see here, for example, x square e power x dx. Now see here again, x square is the first function, e power x is the second function. So this is x square into integration of e power x dx minus integration of d by dx of, so what is the first function? X square integration of e power x dx whole dx. Now see here, this is what x square integration of e power x minus derivative of x square, that is 2x integration of e power x, that is e power x dx. Now this is what x square e power x minus 2 into integration of x e power x dx. So clearly, see here, integration of x e power x. So before of this, so what is that? Integration of x e power x. So what is that value? X e power x minus e power x. So substitute here, this is x square e power x minus 2 into integration of x e power x value is what? X e power x minus e power x plus c. So and so on. Integration of x to the power of n e power x dx. So this is what? So clearly x power n is the first function and e power x is the second function. So this is x to the power of n integration of e power x dx. Next, minus derivative of x to the power of n, that is n into x to the power of n minus 1 integration of e power x, that is e power x dx. So see here, this can be written as x to the power of n e power x. Next, this is minus n into integration of x to the power of n minus 1 e power x dx. So see here, once you observe this, so see here, this can be written as x into integration of e power x minus derivative of x1 integration of e power x, that is integration of e power x dx. So clear, this is what? Before of this term, that is e power x dx. So see here, this one, here x e power x, see here integration of x e power x dx. So clear, this is what? Before of this. Okay. And similarly, integration of x to the power of n e power x dx. So what is that? X to the power of n e power x minus n into integration of x to the power of n minus 1 e power x. So clearly this is before of this term. So that is what? Before of this is what? Integration of x to the power of n minus 1 e power x dx. Okay. Now again consider this one, we have to integrate this. So clearly here the integration terms, see here, Here integration of e power x. Next here integration of x e power x. And here integration of x to the power of n minus 1 e power x. So again we have to consider this one. Again we have to integrate this one. So in that you will get again, see here, x to the power of n minus 1 e power x minus derivative of x to the power of n minus 1. That is n minus 1 into x to the power of n minus 2 e power x dx. So this is what x to the power of n minus 1 e power x minus n minus 1 into x to the power of n minus 2 e power x dx. So again we have to integrate this one. So again you will get the before of that term. So clearly the integration terms are repeated. So to reduce this integration we have to introduce reduction formula. See here, this is I naught. So because of x to the power of 0 is there. Now this is what I1 and this is what x to the power of 2 I2. Similarly here power is there, so this can be written as, now see here this is what In minus 1. See here, therefore In is equals to x to the power of n e power x minus n into, this is what power is n minus 1, so this is In minus 1. So this is called as reduction formula for integration of x to the power of n e power x dx. So this is the concept of reduction formula. So see here, first one, reduction formula for integration of sin power nx dx. Here for any integer n is greater than or equals to 2 and hence find the values of integration of sin power 4x dx. So see here, let In is equals to integration of sin power nx dx. Now here this sin power n write as integration of sin power n minus 1x into sin x dx. So clearly this function is directly not integrable. So for that, take this is the first function and this is the second function. So this is f of x and this is g of x. So you know that integration of fg formula, that is f into integration of g dx minus d by dx of f integration of g dx whole dx. So we have to apply this formula here. So what you get? So therefore In is equals to, now here what is the first function? Sin power n minus 1. So sin power n minus 1x integration of sin x dx minus integration of derivative of the first function, that is d by dx of sin power n minus 1x integration of sin x dx whole dx. Now this is what sin power n minus 1x integration of sin x, that is minus cos x minus derivative of sin power n minus 1, that is n minus 1 into sin power. So it is the form of f of x whole to the power of n, that is n into f of x whole to the power of n minus 1. We will get n minus 1 minus 1 is n minus 2x and internal derivative of sin x cos x into integration of sin x minus cos x. So we will here minus into minus plus cos x dx. So now this is minus sin power n minus 1x cos x plus n minus 1 into, so this is integration of sin power n minus 2x. Here cos into cos square x. So this cos square x write as in terms of sin. So that is 1 minus sin square x dx. Now multiplying inside, what you get? This is minus sine power n minus 1x cos x plus n minus 1 into, see here, integration of sine power n minus 2x into 1. That is sine power n minus 2x dx minus integration of sine power n minus 2 into sine square. So clearly minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. You will get sine power nx dx. So therefore in is equals to minus sine power n minus 1x cos x plus n minus 1 into. So you know that sine power integration of sine power nx dx is in. So here integration of sine power n minus 2. So clear, this is what? In minus 2. And here integration of sine power nx dx is what? In. So this is minus in. So from equation 1. Okay. Now send this in to the left. So what you get? So see here. This is in plus n minus 1 into in. So this is equals to minus sine power n minus 1x cos x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2. So clearly here in minus in get cancelled. You will get n into in. This is equals to minus sine power n minus 1x cos x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2. So therefore what is in value? In is minus sine power n minus 1x cos x divided by n plus n minus 1 by n in minus 2. So this is called reduction formula. Reduction formula of integration of sine power nx dx. So here you have to find integration of sine power 4x dx. So clearly, see here, integration of sine power 4x dx. So clearly n is equals to 4. So this is equation 2. So from equation 2 implies I4 is equal to minus sine power n minus 1, 4 minus 1, that is 3x cos x divided by n is what? 4 plus n minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3 by 4, in minus 2, that is I, 4 minus 2 is I2. Now this is what? Minus sine power 3x cos x divided by 4 plus 3 by 4 into. So again we have to put n is equals to 2 in equation 1. So what you get? Minus sine power. So clearly put n is equals to 2 here. What you get? Sine power 2 minus 1. Sine power 1x. That is minus sine x cos x divided by 2. N minus 1 by n. That is 2 minus 1. So we will get 1 by 2. I2 minus 2. That is I0. So clearly, what is in value? In is equals to integration of sine power nx dx. So put n is equals to 0. So what you get? I0 value sine power 0x dx. So sine power 0 is 1. That is I0 is equals to integration of 1 dx. So clearly I0 value is what? X. So substitute here, what you get? Minus sine power 3x cos x divided by 4 minus 3 by 8 sin x cos x plus 3 by 8 I0 value x plus c. So this is the integration of sin power 4x dx. One reduction formula for integration of cos power nx dx. So here, first let in is equals to integration of cos power nx dx. So here this cos power n write as integration of cos power n minus 1x cos x dx. So clearly this cos power n minus 1x is not directly integrable. So in that case, this function has first function, that is f of x, and cos x is second function. So now we have to apply integration by parts form. That is integration of f of x g of x dx form. So what is that? F of x integration of g of x dx minus integration of d by dx of f of x integration of g of x dx whole dx. So now apply here, what you get? This is the first function. Therefore, in is equals to cos to the power of n minus 1x integration of cos x dx minus d by dx of cos power n minus 1x integration of cos x dx whole dx. Now this is cos power n minus 1x integration of cos x, that is sin x, minus derivative of f of x whole to the power of n. So what is that? N minus 1 into f of x whole to the power of n minus 1, that is cos power n minus 1 minus 1. So you will get cos power n minus 2x. Internal derivative of cos x is minus sin x into integration of cos x, that is sin x dx. Now this is what? Cos power n minus 1x sin x, here minus into minus, this is plus n minus 1 into integration of cos power n minus 2x. So here sin x into sin x, that is sin square x. So this sin square x write as 1 minus cos square x dx. So now multiplying inside, so what you get? Cos power n minus 1x sin x plus n minus 1 into integration of cos power n minus 2x dx. Here plus into minus, minus n minus 1 into integration of cos power n minus 2x into cos square x. Here minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. You will get cos to the power of nx dx. Now clearly this is what? Cos power n minus 1x sin x plus n minus 1 into integration of cos power n minus 2. So see here cos power n is in. Here cos power n minus 2 is what? In minus 2 minus n minus 1 into integration of cos power nx dx. So from equation 1, that value is in, since from 1. Now send this value to the left side. It becomes here in plus n minus 1 in is equals to what? Cos power n minus 1x sin x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2. So clearly here plus in minus in get cancelled, you will get n into in. So therefore n into in is equals to what? Cos power n minus 1x sin x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2. So from this in value is what? Cos power n minus 1x sin x divided by n plus n minus 1 by n in minus 2. So this is the reduction formula for integration of cos power nx dx. The next one, reduction formula for integration of tan power nx dx. n is greater than or equals to 2. And hence find integration of tan power 6x dx. So see here, first let given it is integration of tan power mx dx as I. So therefore in is equals to integration of tan power mx dx. So see here, this tan power n write as integration of tan power n minus 2 x into tan square x dx. Here power is n minus 2. So in previous problem you have to write sin power mx dx value is integration of sin power n minus 1x into sin power 1x dx. Similarly, cos power n minus 1 also write as cos power n minus 1x cos x dx. So because of here, derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of cos x is sin x. So clearly in that power is 1. But here derivative of tan x is what? Sec square x. You know, here d by dx of tan x is sec square x. So clearly your power is what? 2 only. So that's why I am writing tan power mx dx write as tan power n minus 2x tan square x dx. Now see here this can be written as tan power n minus 2x tan square x write as sec square x minus 1 dx. So this is what in. Now multiplying inside what you get? Integration of tan power n minus 2x sec square x minus tan power n minus 2x dx. Now separate the integration. So that is integration of tan power n minus 2x sec square x dx minus integration of tan power n minus 2x. Here derivative of tan x is sec square x. So you know that integration of f of x whole to the power of n into f dash x dx. So write as f of x whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus 6. So here you have to apply this formula, that is in is equals to, here f of x is tan x and f dash x is what? Sec square x. So write as f of x whole to the power of n plus 1, that is tan power n minus 2 plus 1 x by n minus 2 plus 1 minus this value is what? In minus 2. So clearly what is in value? This is tan power n minus 1x divided by n minus 1 minus in minus 2. So this is the reduction formula for tan power mx dx. This is equation 2 and this is equation 1. Now here you find integration of tan power 6x dx. So see here integration of tan power 6x dx. So clearly n is equal to 6. So substitute in equation 2. So what you get? I6 is equals to tan power 6 minus 1, that is 5x by 5 minus in minus 2. I6 minus 2 is I4. Now again this is tan power 5x by 5. So what is I4? Again substitute n is equals to 4 in equation 2. Substitute n is equals to 4, that is tan power 3x by 3 minus in minus 2, that is minus I2. Now this is what? Tan power 5x by 5 minus tan power 3x by 3 minus into minus plus I2. Again substitute n is equals to 2 in equation 2. So that is tan power 5x by 5 minus tan power 3x by 3 plus I2 substitute n is equals to 2 in equation 2. You will get tan x by 2 minus 1 is 1 only, minus I2 minus 2. So we will get I0. Okay. So substitute here. I0 is equal to integration of tan power 0x dx. So clear, this is integration of 1 dx. So therefore I0 value is what? X. So substitute here what you get. Therefore this is tan power 5x by 5 minus tan power 3x by 3 plus tan x minus I0 value x plus 6. So this is the integration of tan power 6x dx. So for next session we will discuss more reduction formulas.